Hey guys, if your house is anything like ours, as soon as it gets warm out, we start to get little visitors. And what are they?
Ants.
Ants, yep. As soon as the temperature heats up, we start getting all these little tiny black ants in our house. Here's some tips and tricks on how to get rid of them. So the first most obvious step is vacuuming. If you have a little one like her, you know that you'll get crumbs all around the kitchen, in the living room, wherever there's food. So you want to make sure to vacuum up as much of the crumbs up as possible so that the ants don't have something to come towards. So we like to use our little handheld vacuum as well as our cordless Dyson to be able to pick up messes at any time. The second part you can do is caulking around the edges of your walls where your walls meet the floors. A lot of times the ants come into the little cracks and you don't really see them, but then that's where they're coming in from. So you'll just want to go around, especially where you've been seeing ants, like in the problem areas, like the kitchens, the bathrooms, and maybe around the doorways, that you'll want to just caulk and go in through and seal up any edges. Another step that we found is helpful is putting down the ant killer around the perimeter of your house, and we like to do that especially a few times a week when we see a lot of ant activity. And you'll want to just make sure to do it on days where you know it's not going to rain for a few days. So just check the weather forecast and just put it out, honestly, as much as possible. You could get the spray or the pellets, and you just want to be able to just go around the perimeter of your home. Another step we have is that once you start seeing the ants in your home, you're gonna see them on a trail, and what you can do is spray the trail of where you see the ants with vinegar. That kind of kills the scent trail that the scout ants had taken, and that way the ant colony won't know where to come back for food, because that's really what they're looking for. So Leilani, do we like ants in the house?
No.
No, what do we do when we see the ants?
I don't know.
We squish them, right? And we want to get rid of them. And what do we have to do? We have to vacuum, right? We have to vacuum and pick up all the food off the floor.
Yeah. Smash them like this.
Smash them? Okay.
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough. Okay, good job. So we hope you find these tricks helpful for you to be able to get rid of ants. Let me know in the comments below how else you have been able to get rid of them. And hopefully you'll have an ant-free summer. Bye guys, see you next time.
Bye guys, see you next time. Bye bye, ants.
Okay, ready? Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Do you know what comes to our house?
Hey guys.
Out. One more time.
Hey guys.
To get warm. Mommy keeps messing up. Okay, one more time. One more time.
Hey guys.
As soon as it. Okay, one more time.
What? Hey guys.
Okay, one more. Wait, 1, 2, 3. So one thing that we found to get rid of the ants is we would caulk up all the seams around the house of the trim, around your baseboards, around your doors, around your windows, anywhere that you see that has any loose old caulk. If your house is anything like ours, you'll have some of these old ones here. So to get started, what I would do is I'm gonna vacuum everything and then Lysol wipe it down. And then you just want to work on a little section at a time. So right now I'm just working on this strip here. Let me grab a disinfectant wipe. You could probably just use soap and water too. Now clean right here. And then if you have a paintbrush, I don't have one on me right now, but you could get a brush and you'll just want to scoop up and brush out any little debris that the vacuum didn't get. Because you don't want any dust or hair or anything in here. There. And then pull out any of the old caulk that's already coming off. If you have any loose ones coming out. And also to keep clean, you'll want some water, paper towels. I saw online that somebody said using a plastic bag is better to getting the caulk off your fingers. So we'll try that. And I have my caulk done here. And then I'm just gonna go straight across. You need to practice first on a paper towel to see what the pressure is and how much comes out. Do a test one. And then just have was all right. Dip your hands and finger. Dip your finger in some water, and then you're gonna go in and then smooth it out. Any missing gaps, you'll want to go back over with that. So it's not perfect, but it's better than what it was before. And then I'm gonna go in, I missed some over here. I have to put some more caulk on there. Use my plastic bag. Get some out. Get it off your hands. Then I'm gonna put some more right over here. I missed the spot right here. At the beginning. I also read online that the sooner you get this off, the better, so don't let the caulk dry on your hands. So that looks pretty good, and then we're just gonna go ahead and do this around all the other edges around the house that you see that has a seam. So a lot of times bugs and ants end up coming in there. So you wanna go around any, especially under any doorways or windows. So yeah, it's very tedious, but you can do it yourself.
Wow.
Hopefully your toddler would be sleeping by now, unlike ours.
What's happening?
Some water on your fingers.